we will do some trig equation today.
Okay.
Professor told me that substituting is a little bit trouble, right? Trig equation.
Yeah, a little bit.
Garcia knows.
Yeah, like the stuff we covered today, I was just like a little confused with how we get like the x1 and x2, how we subtract like 2 pi k, or like that's what I was a little bit confused about, because for sine, cosine, and tangent.
Got it. Okay.
153 angles.
This the interval is 0 to 2 pi, right?
Okay.
Okay. So here is really nice here, right?
Okay.
I might suggest for you can just use a unit circle or something else.
Right.
No, then you use calculator, right?
No.
You don't need to do that. Okay. Maybe cosine. This is like 60. Cosine 60 is half, right?
Yeah.
So here is cosine. This is like a -1/2.
Right.
-1/2.
Oh, so I
So
see.
yeah, I
Actually,
try to
also-
find this point, these two angles.
Oh.
I'm not.
Yeah, it's not just like
I don't know.
Okay.
Bro, that freaking light is just making my head hurt. You got any noise it's generating?
I'm not good at figuring out the other solutions. After that, I don't know.
You here, you make the wrong. So
Mm.
first in cosine x and sine x, their intervals, the value of the cosine x and sine x, the interval, the maximum is 1, minimum is -1. You here already 1.5, 0 to right, 2, 3, so this already wrong. So we should careful on here.
Mhm.
Okay, let's just try it from the beginning. Yeah, don't worry. It's done. So what is the first step we need to do? Is put the 2 to the right side, right? Just divide into 2 and left and right. So it's cosine x plus 1 is equal to 1/2, right? So that this is the first step. Yes, correct. Equal to 1/2. Okay, correct. And then just move the 1 to the right. So cosine x equal to -1/2. Okay, and then you should figure it the next step how to do right angle the cosine x. You got it?
Do I just have to find these two angle measures?
Yeah, correct.
So 300 and 240? If it's 60 from 180, so 180 plus 60, 240, and then 60.
Here this is just a simple actually. This is like this is not. I just showed how to do that. Like this one goes right. Yeah, 240 is right, right?
Okay.
Because this is cosine x, right?
Right.
Cosine x is the distance of the axis, right?
Yeah, it's
This-
it's 60 from 180,
Yes,
and then 300 is 60 from 300. So would it be both or just that?
these two. also this side.
Is there two answers to this?
Yeah, two answers for that. But now this one is right, but another one is now 300. Because cosine 300 is equal to cosine 60. So it's one half. It's positive. But right now we
Oh,
got
it's on the right side. Okay.
on the right side. We
So
got it.
okay, yeah.
So that is what I mean.
All right.
You got it.
No.
Use the unique circle. Unique circle.
If it's X, isn't that triangle still?
Yeah.
So then you want to find these two?
What is unique circle? What is unique circle? Just draw it. Unique circle.
Isn't it?
Well,
Or which one are you?
this is unique circle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, this is 60, right? So here cosine 60 is 1.5, right? Now you want the negative one half. So here is negative 1/2, right? This is angle first. This is also a negative 1/2, right?
Mm-hmm.
1/2. So this angle and this angle is what we need. I will show you that.
Okay.
Cool.
So would it be 120? Correct. So yeah, like the left side because it's on x-axis, so that's positive.
Right.
And that's sine, that's positive.
Correct.
That's negative.
That's why cosine you will always remember it's just like the x-axis.
Right. And then
And
sine is
sine,
y.
yeah.
What about tangent? Would that be like that's positive in that, like quadrant one,
Yeah.
1 and 3.
This tangent is like different. Tangent is like a sine x over cosine x, right?
Right.
So you have always remember it's like the
diagonal.
distance divided by this, y divided by x tangent.
Okay.
Like this is 60, right?
Right.
Sine 60 here is here, right?
Right.
It's about square root 3 over 2, right?
Okay.
Cosine 60 here is 1/2, right? So x is 1/2. Cosine 60, right? So tangent 60 is equal to y over x, right?
Okay.
So it's like a square root 3 over 2 over 1/2, right?
Right.
So it's square root 3. So use your calculator to check if tangent 60 is square root 3. So you know that. That's how we get it. Okay, so okay, I will show you this one. First thing, at this stage, always make the left side clear. How to do that? Cosine x plus 1 is equal to 1/2, right? So cosine x is equal to negative 1/2, right? This time you can use the unit circle. Here, remember, this is negative 1/2, right? So what we get is this angle and this angle. These two is what we can get from the interval between 0 to 2 pi. You just ask me a question, and sometimes why we need a 2k pair, right? That's why we don't have this interval for limit. You see, this is like a 120, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like a 120 and 240. But if another again, what is that? 120 plus 360, right?
Yeah.
So it's an over and over again, right? That is 2k pi. I will show you later.
Okay.
Also, okay, still this question.
Okay. Wait, so it can be answered, that was answered with the unit circle.
No, that answer is, it's like that is the final answer, right? You got it, right? So if you change to the pi, it's like
Okay, okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
And this one is like right? So tell me O, use the formula or use the equation. Tell me all the x satisfy cosine x equal to negative 1/2. That we don't have interval right now, right? Here, because we have interval, so at last we get two answers, right? So right now it's the same one. I just also like a cosine x. Cosine x is equal to negative 1/2. We also get this, but we don't have interval right now. So I want you to tell me all the answers satisfy this equation. But this time you need to think about it. How can you write the final answer in which format? That is the professor taught you today in the class.
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, try it right now. pre-calculus, right? Sorry, it's pre-calculus.
No.
148. Math 148.
No.
No.
Science.
No.
It's 6. Don't they have a review here?
I'm not sure, maybe, but this is from 5 to 6. This review session. One more.
One more?
Yeah, one more. The house.
So if I have the degrees and radians, what do I do from there?
Oh,
what's
wait,
2K?
wait.
Like I told you, like this is only one circle, right?
Okay.
So one more circle here,
Oh, so it's gonna be like 360 plus
right?
that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then you also can two more, right? Two more circles,
So-
three more circles, four more circles.
So K is just the amount of times it goes around.
Yeah.
Okay.
But why we need the 2K or K2 pi, right? K2 pi, but always you just make the constant at first, right? Like 2K pi. That's how it's done.
Okay.
You got it?
So,
Yeah, correct.
would this be plus? Or would it just be 4?
This is 4/3, right?
Mhm.
4/3 pi.
Yeah. So then would it just be that instead of this?
But pi minus pi over 3 is 2 pi over 3, right?
Yeah.
So this already make the, let me see. It's not pi minus pi over 3 is not 4/3 pi, right?
But this one's right.
This one's right.
Okay. And then for the
So that's why it's wrong before. Okay. Here, when we have interval, right? We know one results pi over 2 pi over 3. No. I'm sorry. Like, one is 2 pi over 3, and one is 4 pi over 3, right? So I show you from the unit circle, like I remember we can have one more circle to here, like here. One more, right? You still have the same answer, -1/2. So what we do there is what we always have is 2K pi. 2K. That's, I will tell you the result first. It's like 2K pi plus pi minus 3, then 2K pi plus 4 pi over 3, right? That is the final answer about what is x. Satisfy cosine x is equal to -1/2 for all situations. But here I just told you like Why is it when I told you the 2k pi make you a little bit confused? Because I can tell you how can it come. This one 2 pi. Remember, per 2 pi, every 2 pi is one circle. One rotation, one circle is 2 pi. So tell me what is one circle is 2 pi, right? How about two circle? 4 pi is 3 circle? 6 pi, right? So here is the k. One circle, 2 pi, right? One circle, 2 pi, two circle, 4 pi, right? So how about this k is equal? When k is equal to 0 here, this one does not exist, right? So that is why we have the 2 pi over 3 and the 4 pi over 3 from the first question. We have the interval. Because they only have just not even one circle, right? You have one circle here. If you over one circle, like k is equal to 1, that is 2 pi plus 2 pi over 3 is 8 pi over 3, right? So use your calculator to calculate what is the cosine 8 pi over 3. You tell me the answer. What is that? It's calculus. It's calculus class. Do you have computer science?
No.
Which review session you do?
This is supposed to be
It's a review session.
review session, right?
Which
For
course?
material science.
No.
WH 119 though.
This is the exact group where we have this review session from 5 to 6. 5 to 6. So what is the cosine 8 pi over 3?
Is it 0.99? Should it be in radians?
You should. What?
In radians?
Yeah, reading.
Oh,
Yeah.
like 0.5. Alright.
So that is how 2k pi we got it from here. Let me show you another one. Okay. This is 2 pi, okay? 2 pi. So solve this equation. That's a kind of similar question what we have in this class today.
How would you start it? Would you factor this out?
Yeah, factor it first.
Yeah, I think. So, because that's greater than 1, that'd be no solution.
The first step you factor, this thing is right, but you factor wrong.
Oh, I factored it.
Yeah, so think about that. The first step, this kind of question, just remember always that you need to factor first.
I mean,
Investors? Yes. Calculus? Oh, no. No. Which was material science? Maybe later. It's about 5 to 6 lessons. Material science? It's 6 to 7:30, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think 10 minutes.
So, okay, let me see what's the first step, how you factor that.
that's factor, not a quadratic formula.
That's not plus 1
So
times.
this is it's a factor, not
Yes,
quadratic.
right, correct.
Silly.
Actually, you don't really need to do that, like
Oh, the bottom part? No.
no, just like a
Just that?
Newman or
I don't
something.
know how to factor.
Um,
I'm not too sure.
that's so. I see that.
I was thinking
Try
quadratic
to
formula.
think kind of how to solve the problem like 5x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. How to solve that? And then just change the.
So would I just have to find the degrees like that at that calculator? Then that would be.
Can you use calculator in there?
You're able to put in the
So just like
So like how would I do negative 1 to that?
5x squared.
Then I would know. It would be like 90.
I don't know how to
yeah, so you can just know like the one answer you know there, right?
Okay.
And the other one just put there, like this one or
Alright.
something else. That's okay.
So I could just put this as my answer?
But this
Then-
one you know, right?
Yeah, it's 90. Yeah.
So just put the answer you know that. Like sometimes this format is only when you cannot use calculator, and when you have to put the answer,
Right.
just use this format. That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. That's it. Okay, so how we factor is 1 sine x sine minus 1, right? And 1. So then it should be like a 5 sine x plus 1 multiplied sine x minus 1, right? So John, which part? What's your name again?
John.
John? Yeah, so do you know how to do that right now? How to hear?
So 5 sine x,
You got it? So now we can get the first one is sine x equal to sine x equal to -1. Okay. The other side is equal to 1, right? Equal to 1. So this one, like x is equal to
sine x plus 1.
right? That is between 0 to 5. This one is like x goes equal to pi over 2. That's it. So, how about this? If we don't have the interval here, tell me the answer. If you do not have the interval here, what is the final answer about that?
Would I have to convert that to radians and then put that in there? Would I have to
So
kind of,
because here, it's already radians, this one. Like you can try,
what about the pi?
because we don't have pi, right? It should be like a pi, but this is like a, how to say, just like here, sine minus 1 is equal to pi over 2, right?
Or,
So that is like a 2k pi, right? 2k pi, right? So that's it. You got it? This one is like because we don't know, if we don't have calculator, we don't know how to change to pi, right?
so could I just put that and then plus 2?
K pi.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, correct. Cool. Yeah. Right, correct. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So basically the first one, I want to know what is 2k pi really meaning, and use the unit circle to solve the trig equation. If you have these two things, you should for better. How about students? Okay. Thank you very much.